Hi, this is Nisha from Eclipsis, and this tutorial will be talking about how to create a search help exit. So before I begin, let me just explain what is a search help exit. It's if you want to create a dynamic search help, for example, if you have to modify the contents of the search help that you have created globally, then you can go for this option of creating a search help exit, which is nothing but basically a function module that you have to create, which will alter the contents of the search help dynamically. So this function will be called automatically when you trigger the F4 help. So let me just start with that. So before that, for the convenience, I've created a table called student, where I have just two fields, roll number and name, and already I've inserted some values into it. I'll just show the values, table contents and display. I'll just show all the values that I have. So I have some names here. You can see Sunish, this name is getting repeated 4 times. So what I'm planning to show is I'm going to create another report. First I'll create a search help. Okay, so let's name this as sh underscore demo. So sh I'm just creating a search help. I'm creating an empty search help. Okay. And here I'm giving the table name that I've created, that is reset. Let me just check it once again. Reset T student. Reset T student. And here I'm giving the parameter as name. Okay, and I'm activating it. So right now I haven't given any search help exit. So let's first see what will happen without the search help exit, and then we'll add on the search help exit and see what is the change. So let us activate this first. I'm saving in a package. Okay, the search help has been activated. Now we'll use this search help in a report. Okay, I'm creating a report program. Okay, this is just very simple report program just to show how the search help will trigger it. We'll just have one parameter, and in the search I'm adding a search help exit to this parameter, dashboard object, and the search help name. So let me just check the search help name once again. This is our search help that we have created. So I'm just copy pasting it. I've given here. Okay, and I'm just saving this. Okay, it's activated. So let's see what we'll get when we run this program right now. Okay, the search help is showing here, and if I click on that, I'm supposed to get all the names. Okay, I'm getting all the names. So here you can see the name Sunish is getting repeated. That means duplicate entries are there. So right now I just wanted to alter the contents of my search help. So for that I'll be using the search help exit. So I'll just show you how to use that. So here we are just modifying. What I'm going to do is we are just going to modify default program which is available, that is f4 if underscore shl. I'll just show that, which I'll just type the name of the program so that you get an idea of it. It's f4 if underscore lp underscore exit underscore example. Okay, we'll just modify this program so that like it will be easy for us to create in the search help exit. Okay, so basically you have to go to function module. We are going to create a new function module. So here I am not going to create a new function module. What I am going to do is I am going to alter the standard existing function module, that is f4 shl, this one. I'll just copy this program and I'll give s demo1 underscore. Okay, and I'll give the package name as so let's try opening as is it demo1 on this is what we have created. So we are going to alter this function module. So whenever you click onto the search help, automatically this function will be triggered, and what we have to do is we have to write the code. What all changes you have to make in the content, you have to write the modification statements, that is the queries or the condition statements inside this function module. So here you can see, if you scroll down, you can see there is a function called, there is a condition called if control step is equal to this. So here you can write your codes. So basically what happens is when this function, when you click onto the search help, that is f4, this function is triggered and all the values will be shifted to an internal table called record underscore tab. So right now when I click onto the name search help, all my names are being stored inside this internal table called record underscore tab. So what all modification I have to make in that. So here basically what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to delete all the duplicate entries. So what I have to do is I just have to sort the internal table and I'm deleting the adjacent duplicates from that table, record underscore tab. Okay, it's quite simple, and I'm just saying this. Just activate it. Okay, it's activated. Now before I shift the screen, let me just copy the name of this function module that we have created. Okay, see, now we can see that when we click onto the search help exit, we are getting all the names, but we are having duplicate entries. That's what we have seen. See, we are having all the duplicate entries. Now we are going to eliminate this by the search help exit which we have created. So for that we have to go to the screen where we have created the search help. So this is a screen where we have created the search help. So can you see this tab called search help exit? So here we have to paste the search help exit, that is a function module name that we have created just now. That is it demo1 is the one which you have created. So what will happen is that the moment you click onto the search help exit for student, immediately this function will be triggered, and when this function will be triggered, the function control will go here. And it will sort the internal table and it will delete all the duplicate records and it will show in the search help. So that is what basically it has to happen. So let's activate that first one. Okay, it's been activated. So let's activate this. And now let's run the program once again. Okay, now you'll be able to see like all the duplicate entries have been deleted, and here you were able to alter the search help dynamically. So you can do, it's not just about deleting the duplicate entries, you can do any kind of modifications. You can give n number of conditions where saying if this is equal to this, then display the name. You can give any kind of conditions and you can use this search help exit, which will be very useful for you. I hope the session is clear, and thank you so much for the patient listening.